Hey everyone, today I've got something exciting for you. We are going to create a WordPress website in record time. Yes, you heard me right. We are going to create a WordPress website in just 10 minutes or less. So if you're really interested to create your own functional WordPress website, I would like to request you to watch the video from the beginning to the end, and after finishing the video, you will be able to create your website. So without further ado, I'd like to take you to my computer screen and then I'll show the rest of the process. Let's go. Alright, so if you want to build your WordPress website, there are two types of things that you need. The first one is the domain name and the second one is the hosting. So let me tell you what is domain and what is hosting. So once I type here google.com, it is taking me to somewhere. So this name google.com itself, it is called the domain name. And when I visit this, it is showing me some data like this logo, this search bar. So as it is showing some data, definitely it has a storage, right? So this storage is called actually the hosting. So if you want to build your website, you definitely need the both. So I'm going to attach a link in the video description. So once you visit this link, you will be able to purchase your hosting and domain. Most interestingly, from this link, you don't need to purchase the domain, because if you purchase the hosting only, the domain is absolutely free of cost. So once I scroll down, I see three packages total. So the first one, second one and third one, you can pick any of them. So if you pick any of them, you will get the following facilities: free domain, free email, use the domain, which is about $10, and there are a lot of facilities. So once you pick any of these packages, you will be able to install your WordPress. So I will add another link by which you can see how you can actually install WordPress. It's very easy, just one click thing. So once you install WordPress, you will be able to see this dashboard. Now almost you're ready to go because you have the dashboard now. So if you want to build your website, you need to add a plugin. I'm clicking add new. So from here I have to add Elementor. So when I type Elementor and hit enter, you see this is the plugin, the first one. I click on install and then I have to click activate. So from here we would like to add another plugin which will be about the template. So let's search template. When I type and enter, there are a lot of template plugins. You can pick this, or anything related to the template. So for now I'm going to pick this one. So once I install this, I have to activate also. So now we're almost ready to go. So when you create a website, there are a lot of pages: home page, about us page, contact page, services page, and this can be any page based on your website requirement. So to start, we are going to create a basic page first. So let's name it home. So once you get this, you have to type the name here. I'm just putting the name home and I click edit with Elementor. Once I click edit with Elementor, it is opening the editing mode for the page. Okay, done. So from here you see this option. Once I click on it, it is showing a lot of templates. So for example, for now I would like to go with, let's go with this one. So I click on it and then I click on insert. It's being inserted, so we have to wait for a moment. It is taking some time actually. Give it some time as it is being imported. It's a long page, so it will take some time. Okay, it is imported already, but it is not that lucrative. So in that case, what you have to do is click on the setting and then the page layout. It has to be edit Elementor full width actually. So once you do it, it is being loaded again. It is making the page full width. Okay, yeah. So now this page is full width. If I scroll down, you see all of the designs. If I scroll down, you see the price cards. You see the design, latest news, and there's some type of blogs. So once I have this, the blog is not showing because we didn't publish any kind of blog. We'll see how to do it. So once I publish this, I should see the page. How does this look? This is how actually it looks. This is how it actually looks. It doesn't have any news because we don't have any blog. We'll publish the blog and it will show right there. So if I leave this page now, I have to fit this page for the domain, like it is showing home, but if I visit the actual domain, it is not showing anything. So to do that, you have to visit setting and then click on reading, select the home and just publish it now and reload it. Now it is showing. So for that, we have to create the header and footer at this moment. So if we want to create the header and footer, because the by default footer doesn't look that good, the header also the same. So if we want to edit the header and footer, we have to add a plugin, add new. This is a paid plugin basically. So if I attach the link in the description, it will be much easier for you to go with. So once you go to this link, and then from there you have to click products, over the products, and then Jet Theme Core. This is the plugin that you need to build the header and footer theme builder, basically this is called. So from the plugins, I click add new, and then Jet Theme Core, I open it, install, activate. So once I have activated this from the Croco block, let's add a theme template, and let's trash it because we are going to do it from the scratch. I would like to have a header. The page builder is Elementor. Let's name it main header and click here. It is opening now. So would like to have two columns. In the left side we'll have a logo. So for the logo we just put an image, and to the media library, if there is something, you can just put it for the time being. Let's say this one, we would like to use this as a logo. I would like to select this. Okay, fine. And as it is 25 now, it should have 75. I'm making it 75. So here we would like to have menu. Okay, so this is the menu. We'd like to get it, and if I update it, it will not show you the menu because we have to get the menu from this setting. If I go to appearance, and then from the appearance menus, we have to select the theme to get that option. So we'd like to add another theme, which is called Hello Elementor. Once I activate this, now I have the menus option. I'm just using Hello Elementor. You can pick any of any other theme. I add it as main menu here. Once I hit enter, I should see the home page now. Let's add some other links. About, and then there is another link which is about the contact. I click on save changes. Sorry, this third one was not added. So for that one, again I type contact, and if I add this now, if I save it, okay, now again if I reload this, so now if I delete, I have to get the menu. So once I delete this, I have this column. Now I have to add menu, this one. So I have to select the menu. This is the main menu that we have created. This is the menu now. So you can style it from this bar. We are making it to be centered, or maybe we can make it to the right. Okay, so we can make it black color for the section background. And for this one, if the text color can be white, that will look better, I guess. Or even you can make it white as it is. Basically you can customize this from this option. Yeah, so if I make it to be centered. This is how it looks now. You can add any other element. This is just a basic header I'm just showing. So once the template is designed, you have to go to the theme builder now. From the theme builder, let's delete this because we are going to do this from scratch again. So add condition, we'd like to do it for the entire website. So the header, we have already a header, which is this one. I'd like to use this. So once I use this from the templates, the conditions has to be set. So here we'd like to do entire site. So I just save it now. And now if I come here and reload it, the header is showing. Can you see that? So for the footer, this has to be the same thing. If I go to the footer header, basically, so from the theme builder, I would like to add the footer. So to do the footer, you have to add theme template again. I would like to add footer from here, add new. So once you click add new, one moment. So from the footer, once you click add new, yeah, so you have to select the footer, Elementor, type main footer, and edit with Elementor. So once you have this, so now from here, let's add 4 column. Yeah, so here I would like to put the logo for the first column. So let's use this one as a logo. You have definitely your own logo, so you will use this. So here I'd like to add quick links. Let's make the color black. Let's reduce the size. Let's make it 18. Let's make it 500. And then for the list of the menu, if you click icon list, remove the icon, without icon, and then you have home, about, services, and then for the third one, let's make it something like this, quick links, and then location. For that, I'd like to copy this one, paste it. Let's put the location, Sydney, Australia, and you can put the detail address. And for this one, you can add subscription option from the form, or maybe we can put something different, which is Google Map. Here you can put the Google Map location, make the height like this. So if I update it now, and then from the theme builder, I'd like to add the footer from the library. We have a footer already. It is set now. From the theme templates, I have to add the condition, its entire site. If I save it, now you see a different footer. If I come here, can you see the footer? So for the blogs, the last thing, for the blogs, if you go post and then add new, you'll see the title here, you'll see the description, and from the right side you'll be able to see the featured image, and you'll be able to see some of the things. If you go through it, this is very easy. So once you do it, you just click on publish, and this post will be showing here. So this is how you can actually do it. And the last thing that I'd like to show you, if you want to change anything about the pages, for example, if you want to change to the existing page, click edit with Elementor, and then so if you'd like to change the text, click on it. At the left side you see the text changing option. You can change it to anything. Can you see it's being changed? So I just delete it. If you want to change the color or the size, click on title, and this is the color that you can change. This is the text shadow option. We don't need it right now. For the typography, you can see the size of the text. You can make it bigger or smaller based on your requirements, and this is how actually you can change anything to the site. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll attach all the links related to the video, like the hosting link, the plugin link for the header footer, and the WordPress installation link. I'll add all the link. You can just go through it. So I hope the video was helpful. If you think the video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe the channel and don't forget to like the video. So yeah, thank you so much for watching the video.